Hey everybody, what's up? This is Cam with Danomics. So, for those of you who don't know, Danomics is building out a very broad subsurface interpretation platform to help you get the best answers with respect to reservoir characterization and reservoir properties. We have workflows in geology, petrophysics, seismic interpretation, 3D property modeling, and production forecasting and economics. And we are trying to build the platform for the future. And I want to talk to you about an innovation that we are releasing in our Petrophysics product. So, as many of you know, Danomics got its start in petrophysics, and where we really have differentiated ourselves from everyone else in the petrophysics space is we built our petrophysics tool so that it is natively multi-well. So you can go through and build out your interpretations at massive scale. So whether or not you're working on 100 wells, 1,000 wells, or 100,000 wells, Danomics workflows and software are able to accommodate that and help you build out interpretations. Uh, we, as of January 26, 2026, have released our PetroDan AI assistant, who is there to help you with your interpretation. But we have gone beyond that. And that's what I want to talk about here for the next couple of minutes is our PetroDan Enterprise AI. So first of all, what is it? It is a generative AI model that can run across thousands of wells. Now you may be wondering, well, what does this mean for me? What does it mean for my interpretation? So let me try to put this in context for you. The subsurface is variable and it's noisy. The geology changes. There are variations between logging runs and adjacent wells, and in general, it's the subsurface can be a bit noisy. And if you are going to correctly interpret through that noise, you need to be able to do interpretations across thousands of wells, and you can't do a one-size-fits-all interpretation. You need to really make a custom interpretation across each of those wells. And the PetroDan Enterprise AI is a first-of-its-kind autonomous agent that is capable of giving every well its own custom interpretation. You point it at the databases and you tell it what system prompts you want to run, and PetroDan will return results that are ready to go in to gridding and 3D modeling tools. And the value of this is it lets your subsurface team focus on the real value add decisions. Like, where should I drill or lease new acreage? What's my best landing zone? So those are the questions you want your geoscientists to be answering, not questions like, hey, what's my gamma ray clean baseline for this well? Yeah, that's important, but it's not something that you need to have your staff doing manually when PetroDan can do that for them at scale. So what does the PetroDan AI let you do if you are an enterprise customer? You're able to run this at scale. You're able to customize your own system prompts, write your own module by module specific instructions that can be tailored to your company's workflows and needs. You can run these models on custom workflows that go beyond the Danomics defaults and built-in capabilities. We also have built-in testing infrastructure that allows you to measure the performance of your fine-tuned models. And we know that data privacy and secrecy is important to all of you. That is why we only use models that are committed to protecting customer data and not using your prompts and queries for model improvement or training, models outside of what you'll be using it for. If you'd like to learn more about the Danomics Petrophysics Enterprise AI, hit me up at sales@danomics.com. Thanks.